Welcome to Mainline Autobody. I'm Joe Hinkins. Let's take the next 60 seconds and show you around. Your first point of contact will be with one of our friendly guest services team who will set you up with one of our service riders to take care of all your needs. The experts in our triage department will assess the damage to your vehicle and create a repair blueprint. Organization is high on the agenda in Mainline, and no more so than our parts department. The production floor is loaded with all the necessary modern equipment to carry out the structural repairs, and a crew of highly skilled technicians will soon get your vehicle looking right. Our certified paint technicians deliver a finish that's equal or better than the original manufacturers, and once the repairs are complete, a full wash and cleanup follows before a final quality check rounds everything off. The Mainline team will work hard to earn your business and your trust. We look forward to serving you and giving you that Mainline peace of mind.